In this video, I'm going to show you how your teen could actually start making money on the internet, on the side, whether he wants to make money, he or she wants to make money after school, for the summer, start a side hustle, entrepreneurship, whatever the case is. I'm going to show you 4 or 5 different ways right now that you can actually start making money, or for your teen to start making money. Okay, if you guys are new to this channel, first of all, I want to say thanks for coming in, joining me on this video. If you guys are new, please subscribe, hit that notification and that bell so you guys can get notified when I do have new videos coming out in the future. I talk about pretty much money-wise. I talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, online businesses, you pretty much name it on this actual channel. So today we're going to be talking about teens. How do your teens can start making money in 2021, all right, guys? Let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Let's go ahead and go into my computer here. The first one that we're going to be talking about is going to be Fiverr. So I have talked about this a little bit in the past. Fiverr is basically where you are basically a freelancer and you sell your services. Okay, whether you're good at something, for example, if you're good at editing videos, right, you could actually get paid for others, recording or editing other people's videos, right? Whether they're ads, short movies, whatever the case is. Okay, if you're good at photos, if you're good at let's just go ahead and go into editing, as I was saying. Okay, let's say since your teens nowadays are very high tech, they're tech savvy. Let's say they're good, they like playing on the computers, they like doing editing stuff. Check this out. If we come down here, I will do professional video editing, quickly, high quality, starting at $50, $100, $30, $50, $150. So it just depends on how well you guys are what's the word? How good? So it just all depends on how well you have your editing skills. All right, you could actually start making some money and doing this for other people. All right, and it could be anything. It could be let's say you're translating, right? Let's say you know 2 different languages. You could actually translate people's essays, brochures, whatever the case is that they have here. Check this out: $10, $5, right? But those $10 are going to add up once you get multiple customers, okay, or clients, I should say. Okay, 290. So it just all depends. So this is actually one way. What you do is, if you're actually brand new, you come up to the right hand corner and you basically sign in, or you sign up. Okay, basic information: your name, your email address, and what you're good at, and then you're going to create your own profile. And then when you create your own profile, you basically just market that, and people will actually come to you for your services. Okay, so there's so many things that you can do on Fiverr. This is going to be number 1. Let's go to number 2. All right, number two is going to be eBay. Okay, eBay/Facebook. I used to do this on the side. I used to actually like this. This is actually one of my first side hustles that I used to do online when I first started. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna be buying products that are low and selling them high to make a profit. Okay, now what do I mean by that? I mean, you guys could actually have stuff, maybe you have some stuff lying around in your house that you're trying to get rid of, right? You can actually sell that on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, whatever the case is, and make a profit. Let's say you go to garage sales, yard sales around your neighborhood, and you find something that is worth selling that you can actually post. You can buy it low, sell it on eBay, okay? Sell it on eBay, sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Or you can vice versa, go back and forth, right? Buy something low on Facebook, sell it on eBay, vice versa, even on Craigslist, okay? Now, what do I mean by that? You're gonna go into your Facebook account and you're gonna go into the marketplace. What I personally used to do is I used to actually sell furniture, okay? Furniture is actually really big. Couches, appliances, bed frames, desks, chairs, you pretty much name it, okay? Now, you see in my area here, they're pretty decent prices, right? $350, $450. Let's look up couches for free. That's my first place on where I go to and what I do. Basically, I'm flipping it. There we go. Okay, so you kind of just see what's in your neighborhood. Looks like this one, love seat for free. It looks decent, right? For free. If you can actually pick it up and clean it up, right? Give it a good wash, give it some good pictures and stuff. You could easily sell this for maybe $50, right? $50, $60. You take that $60 and you reinvest it, and you probably buy something that's better quality, and then you could actually sell that for higher, right? If you kind of see where I'm going with this, and then of course that's how you actually make some money. Let's see. So there's not too much. 2 couches right here, right? You could easily sell this stuff, and it's not just on Facebook. You can find other products on Craigslist, right? Find those, put them on eBay. Now you actually are advertising to the world. Everybody knows what eBay is. When they're looking for something, they're gonna come on here. You don't have to market or advertise anything. They know what they want when they're coming onto eBay. And of course, if they buy your product, you sell it, you make a profit, okay? That's number 2, and that's actually what I used to do. If you want more information, more detailed step-by-step exactly how to do this, I'll leave a card up here on the side. I did make a video about this, how to do it, how to start it, and what to do on all that stuff, what to look for, right? Let's go off to number 3. All right, number three is going to be, I also did this as well, candy machines, okay? And what do I mean by candy machines? I mean you buy candy machines and you actually put them into businesses, right? You put some candy in them, you set them up, you put them into businesses, and people use them, and you make some money off it, okay? As you can kind of see, I just pulled up some images here just so you can kind of see the prices, but you can kind of see brand new, they're about $160, right? You could definitely get these cheaper on Facebook, right? People that are selling it. Let's go back to Facebook. Let's see what they have in my area. Candy machines. Right? You can buy these, and like I said, just post them in or put them in businesses. Check it out, $150. Looks like there's not too many here. $300, okay, 50s right here. Look at that, a gumball machine for $450. Can you imagine how many gumballs? I never actually did this, but you can actually buy a whole pack of gumballs, like 1,000 count, at like Sam's or Costco. Buy a gumball machine and actually leave it there for like months, right? Come back and you actually have that passive income, money making you money while you sleep. This is another way your teens could actually do what they can do for the summer, right? They can start building a candy machine. That's actually how I started. And then from my candy machines, I upgraded up to ATMs. So now I have an ATM business. That's a whole nother level and everything. I could talk about that later. If you guys do want me to talk more into that, leave me some comments down below. I'll definitely make a video and I'll show you all that stuff on that side. But for this purpose, candy machines, it's a lot cheaper. It's a lot simpler to do, and simple and easy. All right, guys? So basically, you just buy your candy, buy your machine, and ask owners, go around asking owners if you can put them in their businesses. And if once they do, you'll put them in there. And all you got to do is just go back and refill it, take the money out, put some candy in, and you got a candy machine business, all right? So that's going to be number 3. Number 4, let's go on to number 4. Number 4 is going to be also what I do. Believe it or not, I also do this. This is how I make money online. It's what's called affiliate marketing. I help people make money online. So what affiliate marketing is basically you are promoting other companies' products, and when customers go through your links and they buy those products, you get a commission off that. So basically you're just referring that customer to that product, and when they buy, you get a commission. So that company and everybody wins, right? The customer gets the product that they want, you make a commission off that, and the company makes a sale. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is. We just promote other companies' products. We do not handle any of that. We don't deal with any customer service, shipping, the inventory, the product, anything like that. All right, guys? So you kind of see this is what I actually be making in just working 1 to 2 hours a day. That's honestly what it is, right? Now, it does have its actual system that you have to set up properly, right? As far as setting up the right content that you're creating, which way you're gonna go, your sales funnels, your email marketing, all that stuff. But all that could actually be explained in other videos. But this is just to kind of give you ideas on what your teens could actually do, right? They can start promoting products that they don't have, and they can start making money from their home, all right? So affiliate marketing. If you guys do want some more information, I'll leave some links down in the bottom that you could actually get started to start learning how to do affiliate marketing, the training that I took, the steps that I did, all that other stuff. All right, guys? So, but that's actually basically what your teens could actually do for after school, right? If they're bored after school, if they want to have, they don't want a summer job, but they want to actually make some money during the summer now that it's coming up. If they're not old enough to get a job, an actual 9 to 5 part-time job, right? These are other ways that they can start making money starting off little side hustles, right? And of course, all these little side hustles actually starts getting their mind working, right? They start thinking outside the box. Hey, what else can I do on this, or whatever the case is, right? They're not trading time for money kind of thing. All right, so that's all I have for today, guys. If you guys want some more information, if you guys want some more info on all these, write a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps out the channel and the algorithm. And also, I'll be posting new videos on how to make money, right, on online businesses, whatever the case is. All right, guys, so that is it for today. Appreciate you guys coming in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.